Hey, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will show you how to make my profile private on X. So first of all, open X on your device and you want to tap your profile picture in the top left corner of your screen. Now in this menu you have to scroll down until you reach settings and privacy, and as you can see your settings are divided into different sections. You want to go to section privacy and safety. Now from here go to audience and tagging, and finally at the very top of your screen you should see this option that is called protect your posts. This is the feature that is responsible for making your profile private, and let's turn this on. So after you make your profile private on X, only your current followers are able to see your posts on X. And any new people who want to follow you on X, they must send you follower requests that you must manually accept or decline. So there is a specific dedicated page on X where you can do that. You have to tap your profile picture in the top left, and now in this menu, as you can see, you have option follower requests. Let's go here, and you can here manage your new followers on X. You can accept them or decline them. So that's how you can make your profile private on X. I really hope that you find this video helpful, and if so, please like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.